Hey everyone. So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Gmail login issues in the USA. If you're unable to sign in, getting error messages, or stuck on verification, this full guide for 2026 will walk you through all the steps to get back into your account safely. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes login issues happen just because the network is slow or disconnected. Double check that you're typing the correct email and password. Yeah, it sounds simple, but typos or incorrect capitalization are the most common reasons for login errors. If you're on a browser, clear cache and cookies. For mobile apps, try clearing Gmail app data or reinstalling it. This fixes corrupted files that can block login. If you forgot your password or Google doesn't recognize your login, click Forgot Password. Follow the prompts to recover your account using recovery email or phone number. For accounts with two-step verification, make sure you have your phone or backup codes ready. Yeah, without these, you won't be able to log in. Sometimes login issues occur if your account is temporarily suspended or flagged. Go to Google Account Security page to see if there are alerts or required actions. If you're still facing problems, try logging in from another browser or device. This helps identify whether the issue is device-specific. If nothing works, contact Gmail support in the USA. Use official channels like Help Center, chat, or email. Never share sensitive info on unofficial websites. And yeah, that's how to fix Gmail login issues in the USA in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.